Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is about finite automata. This topic is related to the week number 7. Okay, so what are the contents of this lecture, this chapter? So the contents are finite automata. We will discuss finite automata in this chapter, rules for finite automata, conversion of regular expression to finite automata, transition diagram and transition table. So all these topics will be covered in this lecture, inshallah. Okay, so first of all, let me start. What is finite automata? A finite automata is a simple idealized machine used to recognize pattern within input taken from some character set or alphabet. C. The job of in finite FA is to accept or reject an input depending on whether the pattern defined by the finite automata occurs in the input or not. What does it mean? It means that finite automata, this is idealized machine. What does it mean by idealized machine? Idealized means abstract machine. Abstract machine means that these machine doesn't have any physical existence. So here we are representing the flow of any program, the flow of any machine which perform a task automatically. So we are representing the working, the flow of those machines by using different diagrams. So these diagrams are not the physical machine. These are not the real machines. These are the abstract machines. Yeah, these are just the flow of the physical machines. It represents the flow of the physical machine. If I get physical machine flow represent making as I making a ideal as the real machine is the size is the real machine. शायद शुमा स्टेट डायग्राम रखांदा बाशी द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग सही अमु स्टेट डायग्राम वास्ते ये चंदीन स्टेट दारा सही से फॉर एग्जांपल स्टेट 1 स्टेट 2 स्टेट 3 स्टेट 4 अमी स्टेट में बाशा और अमी स्टेट for example the input is A, it moving from one state to another state and moving from this state to this, so the input will be B and it come back to this initial state. For example, input is C. So the finite automata is the state diagram. So here we will have states. For example, this is state, this is state, this is state, and we will represent the flow of the originally the flow of the real machine by using these idealized machine, by using these state diagrams. Okay, so this is just a idealized machine. This is an abstract machine. This is not a real machine. Okay, so this is just the diagrammatical representation of the flow of the real machine, the flow of the program, that how a program a software is working, okay, automatically. And one more thing, just like regular expression represent a language and theory of automata, descriptive definition of language, recursive definition of language, we discussed all these definition in previous lectures. So today we will discuss the language definition by using finite automata. Okay, got it? Next, what we have the different types of finite automata. So finite automata, we can say FA, we can say the diagrammatical representation of the diagrammatic. So here we have two types of finite automata. One is the finite automata with output types, finite automata without output. In this case, what will happen? So this will have input string, but there will be there will be output of those strings. It also represent the input and output, and it represents just only the input, and here the output will not be shown inside the machine, inside the diagram. Each is the inja output मौजूद में बोशा अगर मा याक लेटर input method says output umme bosha the diagram و the diagram cheers the diagram output name bosha fakat input me bosha. So we will discuss it later, but just you should just keep in mind that this type is with output says inja output me bosha inja output nabe bosha. It will be without output. It will have string input but no output. It will have string input as well as output of a string. It is further divided into two types, Moore machine and Mealy machine. So inshallah we will discuss these two topics in the coming lecture. I think this is in in week number 13. So we will discuss these two and week number 13 and 14. And in this lecture we will discuss about these two types. Okay, so here we will discuss about the non-deterministic finite automation, which is called NFA, and deterministic finite automation, says here automata. So these are the two types of finite automata without output. So let me start non-deterministic finite automata. Okay, NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. What it stands for? NFA stands for non-deterministic finite automata. So here we have some rules defined for finite non-deterministic finite automata. So what are those rules? Look at this. So here we have rule for NFA. NFA is a finite set of state. So there will be a finite set of states and NFA. So there will be multiple sets state in NFA. ये चंदीन states में बोशा. For example, state 0, state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4. ये चंदीन states में बोशा. सही है? State 2, 3, 4. So here we will have multiple states in finite non-deterministic finite automata. Diğer चीज़ दोम चीज़ NFA has a set of symbols called the alphabet. For example, as its state by state yak input momentum. सही है? Input चीज़ है, for example, A है. आज़मी जमा yak input momentum B. सही है? The दोम rule ची में क्या? NFA have a set of symbols called the alphabet. In A, which is these are the symbols. They will be represented by an alphabet. For example, here we have alphabet A and alphabet B. So both are the letters inside this alphabet. So it will NFA should have an alphabet with letters. So this is the letter which is input letter A, input letter B. Next one, NFA has transitions which represent the flow of input letter from one state to another. Transition is this arrow. So this is the transition, just like this. Look at this. This is the transition. Transition. What is the order of transition? It will represent the input flow from one state to another state. It's like India A as Kudam state, Raft by Kudam state. India as is not Shurushud, the input of A start from state 0 toward state 2. Input of B starts from state 0 toward state 1. So this is the transition. Transition represent the flow of letter from one state to another. Next one, NFA has one initial state from where any input is proceed. मकसद is the हर NFA केस the हर NFA by the initial state washer. For example, S0, S1, S2. हर NFA by the initial state by दस्ता washer की मकसद ये machine और जिंजा शुरू में वो start state system yak state, so there must be a circle, okay, and there must be an arrow toward the circle. So this represents the start state, yeah, we can say initial state. Okay, NFA has final state. یک باید final state باشه. مثال از اینجا input شروع شد A از اینجا شروع شد صحیح است. یک A input است، باز B input است. ما میگیم که B اینجا ماشین فینیش شد صحیح است. مثال ما بگیم که final state است. Final state should be represented by a double circle, and inside double circle there must be a state name. Okay, so this is the final state. Final state means that it starts from S0 toward S2. So S1 S0 is the initial state and this is the final state. So it must have initial state and final state. Next, NFA has transition with empty string. Okay, NFA क्या है? वो transition द्वारा empty string transition. इंजा transition चीज़ है A द्वारा. सही से मिसाल में एक दिगा transition इंजा में है. एक दिगा status. ये में कि null stringum द्वारा. NFA क्या है? ये null stringum द्वारा. बहुत ऐसे चंद type final automator में है कि बहुत null string ना द्वारा. सही से the NFA चीज़ है, the NFA null stringum मौजूद में बोशा सही से. So there must be a null string transition. There may be a null string transition in the NFA. Okay, next what we have. So here we have the graphical representation of all these states. Okay, and the transition. Look at this graphical representation of NDFA. Yeah, we can say non-deterministic finite automation. Yeah, NFA. The vertices represents the states. Vertices, yeah, we can say a circle. Circle will represent the state. Next, the arcs labeled within input alphabet show the transition. Yak arrow में बोशा, yak तिरक में बोशा सही से. अमी तिरक चीज़ आयर में क्या ना transition आयर में. ये तिरक या yak arc में बोशा सही से, yak curve में बोशा. या ये सीधा एक लाइन में बोशा सही से ये ट्रांजिशन नजर में गिरे. The initial state is denoted by an empty single incoming arrow. इंजा एक स्टेट में बोशा वो empty transition arrow में बोशा. इंजा को हम इनपुट वगैरह ना बोशा, फकत डायरेक्ट एक arrow में बोशा बच्ची में आया ये बायक सर्कल में है सही से. और इस स्टेट को हम स्टेट में बोशा, इस स्टेट इनिशियल स्टेट में बोशा. The final state is indicated by double circle. फाइनल स्टेट क्या है? ये डबल सर्कल में बोशा सही सर. वो दाखिली स्टेट नेम में बोशा. So this is the final state. Got it? So this was the graphical representation, and we will use these graphical representation in coming lectures for the definition of language by using non-deterministic finite automata. Examples of regular expression to NFA. इन जब regular expression चिकित्सा by NFA तब्दील में गए सही से regular expression लेक्चर गुज़िश्ता मौलाई तशरीह कदम सही से कि रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन चीज़ था वो मिसाल में तशरीह कदम सही से. So now we will convert those regular expressions to non-deterministic finite automata या NFA. For example, if we have a regular expression is equal to AB. What does it mean? It means A and B या A dot B. A और B जैसा ज़ारबा आस्ता. ये the finite automata चिक्सम ज़ाहिर में शायद चिक्सम represent में किरण साइकिंग जब. So here we will have a start state. This is the start state. You know about this in previous slide. I have explained this. A is the start state. It is an input A, small a. B is in another state. And it is an input B which moves towards C. What does it mean? It means that the input string starts from A toward C. मकसद ये चीज़ था input E string asta. This is input string. This input string starts from A towards C. So this is the in state. So on in state, what will be? collected, so the accepted string will be AB. Why AB? Look at this. So in case of zarb, in case of in case of AND operator, AND operation, so the transition of the NFA will be straight line. Look at this. This is straight, and now this is straight. This state is straight to this state. This is straight to this state. Okay. So all of the inputs of the input letter of the AND operator should be on one line. Look at this. Inja yak khadas, the yak khadas. Wo inja chi accept mesha. So the accepted string will be AB. Why? This A will combine with this B. Look at this. It will combine with this B, and it will give you the resultant. It will combine with B, and it will give you the resultant string AB. In case of OR operator, look at this. If we have OR operator, look at this, A or B, we can also say A plus B. So this is OR operation. So how will we create the NFA for this? Okay, look at this. So here you will have a start state A, and it will move from A. The transition goes to B and will have input letter A, small a. Look at this, A or B. So what will happen on final state? या A accept mission या B accept mission. A accept mission या B accept mission. सही सर? इन चीज़ इन जैसे कि A mix accept mission वो B mix और दूसरी एक जा accept इन चीज़ या A accept mission या B accept mission. So this is for OR operation. You can also draw just like this by using a single final state. For example, this is state C. You can also represent by using S. You can also represent by using Q naught. You can also represent by putting A, B, C. You can also represent by putting 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you, no problem. So this is just a representation. So here this is initial state, okay, and this is the final state. This is the final. How we can recognize that this is a final state? Because here we have two circles. A in another state we will have, and here we will have in another state. It will move toward this one. Here we will have in another state, and another state. It will accept a letter. It will accept a letter, and it will accept the final. Look at this. This is, for example, state 1. This is state 2. This is state 3. This is state 4, and this is state 5. Okay. So here we will have the empty string. Here we will have the empty string. Here we have A. Here we have B. Here we have empty string. Here we have empty string. Awal peshtar moguftim ki the NFA empty string ya null string. This is the representation of null string epsilon, epsilon, epsilon. We can represent the null string by means of different symbols. Okay. For example, epsilon as the lambda as the amit sign lambda as the size. Yeah, we can also represent by using this sign. Okay. So these are different representation of null string. Look at this. From A, null will combine with, look at this, this is the transition. Null will combine with A, so it will give you A. then A again combine with null, and at the final state it will give you A. सही है? Next, look at this. ये मुस्तकिम मेरा मकसद ये चीज है, null ज़रब A ज़रब null is equal to A. The final result will be A. Okay? ये दज़ार वास्ते चलो दज़ार वास्ते बाई खातर की दयाक मुस्तकिम दयाक खातर सही और चीज इंजा और बी एस और बी बरे और बी मा दोम रॉ मौजूद कहते हैं सही आज इंजा शुरू शो next and then toward final step. So here null string zarb null string zarb b zarb null string is equal to b. What does it mean? It means that null string b null string will be equal to b. So या हुई a accept में गिना या b accept में सही है पेशतर मा گفتیم که در NFA null string هم است null string transition هم است صحیح است اگر شما استفاده میکنی هم صحیح است اگر استفاده نمیکنیم هم صحیح است این diagram x هم رسم میشه خب is not means this is the initial state and this is the final state. For example, this is S1. Look at this. So here, या A accept में है, या A accept में है, या B accept में है. You can also remove the null string transitions. Look at this. At a time, बायाक वक्त ई machine की असले या हो आजी path letter accept में किना या आजी path लेटर accept में गिना या A accept में शा सही है वो द दोम चीज है या B accept में शा हो अगर x हम बोशा अगर A B बोशा बोझी मुस्तकिम मिदायक खात में है सही है so this is for multiplication and this is for the plus operator या we can say or operator and this is for and operator. Got it? So you can draw like this, you can draw like this, and you can draw like this. So here we have two final states and here we have one final state, but we have null string transition and here we have one final state and there is no null string transition. Okay? Got it? So these are different representation of regular expression to NFA. Next one.